Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. So this is Teacher Letsale speaking here. Today I'm going to take you through an adventurous journey using my digital simulation, which I developed using DeepSeek AI on the topic of NST Grade 4, and specifically on the content of what plants need to grow. So this simulation focuses specifically on an experiment of plant growth under different conditions. So the conditions that I'm talking about, they are these ones: under the sun, in the classroom, and in the box. So we are going to observe how these seeds in these three pots get to grow under these different conditions, these three different conditions. So I'll be using my digital simulation in an overcrowded classroom where there are no projectors at all. So I'll be making use of only my laptop that is going to be effective. And then since the learners that I'm going to teach, they are not English speakers, so I'll be making use of code switching. And then I will firstly divide my learners in groups of 8 depending on the class size. So each group will have to come to the laptop in front and interact with the simulation by breaking these 3 pots under different conditions. Then they will have to observe these results. So this is how they are going to interact with the simulation. Firstly, they are going to start the experiment. And then secondly, they are going to see the next stage, which is germination. Then they are going to see, they are going to observe the third stage, which is seedling, and then the fourth stage, which is growth, and then the fifth stage, which is mature. So they are going to observe on how these seeds grew into the plants. They are going to be able to observe the differences between this first plant and then the second plant and then the third plant. And then while this group is busy observing and interacting with the simulation, the other groups will be guided by the EA while they are completing a worksheet based on making predictions on this plant growth. And then after that, they will take turns. They will swap, and then the other group will come, and then the other group that came will go back to their settings. And then since real seeds, soil, and pots may be unavailable, I'm going to make use of this digital simulation, which is going to act as a visual experiment to show seed germination, plant growth, and wilting under these different conditions. So in this, using this simulation, learners will be able to apply their science process skills, which includes observing, measuring, predicting, and comparing by just observing on how the seeds grow into plants to reach this point of growth. And then the next thing, it is the plant growth assessment. After they are done with the simulation, they are going to answer this short quiz. Which consists of multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and true or false. So they will have to choose between which one is the correct answer. As I'm showing you as an example on how they will have to answer these questions. And then they will have to see their score, which is down here. It's going to occur somewhere here after submitting the assessment. Here I'm just showing you an example on how they will have to answer this short quiz, and where the score is going to be it's going to show. And then here it is. Excellent. This short assessment or a quiz is 4 out of 4 in total. So after completing the assessment as a collective, as a group, they will be able to see their results. And then through this quiz, I'll be able to see if they understood the importance of the experiment and the processes that occur in the experiment. Thank you, and I hope that you join me next time. Ciao.